What's good, YouTube? This is y'all boy E. So as y'all see, bringing y'all a quick video, just an update of what's going on with the car in a sense and what I got for the car. So I got my knife here. I'm gonna do a few unboxings real quick, show you guys what I have. But yeah, sending the car off this weekend to get a lot of stuff done to it. Of course, this is some music stuff, and y'all seen my previous video, the other things I have. So this is just a quick update video and an unboxing of some audio equipment. So car has right now currently 410s. I'm downsizing from 410s to 110. Probably 4 6x9s and 2 super tweeters. I'm not crazy about music, but I do need some bump in it. Because it already currently has some music, but I'm deleting all of that and putting new. So yeah, let me unbox this. Be right back and show you what I got. All right, everybody, I'm back. So I do have aluminum radiator hose. Just want to throw that in there. Motor's pretty chromed out, so right now it has a rubber hose. But installing that, got 2 6x9 boxes. I know my guy. He said he wants to go 4, so I don't know if I'm gonna utilize these, but most likely I'm gonna utilize them, but I might not. But 2 6x9 boxes, try to put those somewhere. I thought I ordered 2 super tweeters. I only have 1, so I'm gonna have to order another one. And I got my Skar 10, as you can see, pretty decent sized magnet on the back, and this one Skar box, ported prefabbed box. So. And that's like lights and stuff. And my grill, my Dakota dash is in here. I don't know if I'll be able to get it out the box to show you, but there we go. Dakota. Well, this is the bezel. So this is the bezel for the Dakota. And the gauge is in that box. And this is the bezel. So I got the bezel. So yeah, man. So getting things together, like I said, dropping the car off this weekend. Hopefully my guy can figure a lot of these little bugs and stuff I have and tweak them and, you know, get y'all boy right, man. Get me back on the road, you know what I'm saying? Get me on the road, you know what I'm saying, for sure. But, yeah, this has been your boy E. Just wanted to bring y'all a quick update, quick update. And, yeah, so I'll bring y'all an update video once I get the car back. And hopefully by the time I get the car back, I can actually reveal the car if it's in the shape I need it to be in. And if not, bring y'all an update video. But we're getting there. We're getting there. So, all right, y'all. This has been your boy E. I'll see y'all on the next video.